Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this ceramic fan heater from Parkside, the model PKH 2000C2, for quick heating or ventilation of interior areas. Rated voltage 220-240 volts, 50 Hz, rated power consumption 2000 watts with temperature controlled thermostat. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it with a 3-year warranty. And of course the manual. .5 meters of cable, small and compact. We have these two huge knobs, unscrew and adjust it, find the right position. We can see the heating element, robust housing, double safety guard. There's the fan, Parkside logo, adjustable thermostat for regulating the temperature, the on-off switch off, it works like a fan, 2 heating settings, 1100 watts and 2000 watts, off with LED indicator. Safe operation due to the overheating protection with automatic shut off. Fast, effective and tough free heat without burning dust. And I think it's about time, let's plug it in and test it. Only the fan. To turn on the fan you need to adjust the thermostat. Nice, you can use it at the summer like a fan if you want. 1100 watts and instantly I can feel the heat. .2,000 watts. Oh my god, it's so hot. .1,100 and only the fan. Wow. I like it. We have these feet. Heat 2000 watts. It doesn't take no more than 5 seconds and start heating up the place. Wow. And off. When the area is heated enough, it will switch off automatically. It is ideal for home, office, garage, study or camping. Compact electric fan with powerful and durable PTC heating element. It has a stable frame with carry handle. I like that. So it can go anywhere. Of course you need to have a 220 volt. I like it. But it is small, compact, it fits anywhere. Adjustable. Well, winter is coming. If you want to choose to heat up your place with that kind of fan heater, ceramic fan heater, it costs 22 euros. So just buy it and warm up your place. Of course it is 2000 watts. The power consumption, it is huge. Maybe you need to consider and find other solution to warm up the winter. 2000 watts. Of course you have the option for 1100 watts, but again more than 100 watts. The power consumption, it is huge, and you need to consider and your electric bill. In the past I have made a video for other ceramic fan heaters from Silvercrest and Parkside. You can check these fan heaters down below the description or right in the corner after the end of this video. On a black color with red switches. So that was the fan ceramic heater. Thank you for watching, my viewers. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.